Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. We are watching thunderstorms moving out of central Illinois, moving into our western and northwestern counties right now. It does not look like anything widespread severe, but it's something we'll be keeping an eye on. I want to start by showing you some good news. There are no watches. We have no severe thunderstorm watches. We have no tornado watches for any portion of the area, but literally just during the commercial break, you see a little orange shaded area up there across portions of Champaign County and Douglas County. That's actually a severe thunderstorm warning, so that's the only thing we have in the immediate area as of right now. And you can see why with the Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar, those thunderstorms moving in, and again, that little bit of a warning there in Douglas and Champaign counties until 6 o'clock Central Time. That's it. Pretty good line of storms, though, to the west, and that's going to bring some pretty good rains across the area over the course of the next few hours. I also want to update you in the tropics. I said yesterday things are getting active. We're looking at one area down there, Cuba. That'll move into the Gulf, and way out there in the lower corner of your screen, that actually has already formed into a tropical depression. That's going to continue to form probably into a tropical storm, maybe eventually a hurricane as it heads towards the Caribbean by late in the weekend. So it's something we'll be watching in just over a week as it could be getting closer to the U.S. Temperature-wise today, we made it into the mid-80s, and actually we've had some low 90s in our southern counties, and 70 has been our low for the day. At the TV station, there's been no rain, but some of you north, you've seen some rain, and you saw the radar. There's plenty of rain on the way. Sunrise, sunset for tomorrow, and the river stage in Terre Haute going back down at 7.4 feet. Right now at the airport in Terre Haute, 86, but the heat index is near 100 still because of all that moisture in the air and a southeast wind at 8 miles per hour. Temperatures are the hottest in the south where they've not gotten as much cloud cover or rain. We're near 90 in Vincennes, Olney, and Washington, and dew points are really high. There's a lot of moisture in the air, so that drives the heat index up, and you can see that near 100 in Terre Haute, and we do have 100 in Vincennes, so it's really hot out there all across the area. Water vapor satellite, notice to the northwest, the darker shades, that's drier air. I think we'll start to get some of that in here later in the week, but in the meantime, that front is still stalled near us, and so that leads to the heating of the day. The showers and storms fire up in the afternoon, evening, and that's what we've got going on. You can see the band of those showers now just west of our western counties, but they are getting closer. So as we look again at the Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar, you'll see most of this now in our northwestern counties and just west of the area, and that's the region that we're going to zoom in and take a look at way up there in northwestern Edgar County, back into Douglas County and Coles County, where we do have the severe thunderstorm warning around Tuscola. That's way out there in our northwestern areas. These storms are moving east at about 45 miles per hour, and you can see west of there, pretty good band of some thunderstorms, so it's going to be kind of a stormy evening for a while. Again, right now it does not look like we're going to see anything widespread as far as severe weather, but there will be a few of these storms that pack a little punch. There is a slight risk of severe weather, basically I-70 and northward, mostly during the early part of the overnight hours for tonight. So here's what we've got. The showers and storms are moving through now. We should get a break from this, say, by midnight to 2 a.m. Then as we get into the day tomorrow, some scattered showers and storms. But I think once we get into late Wednesday and Thursday, we start to see some drier weather moving in, and I think that trend's going to carry us into the end of the week as well as we start to see drier conditions. So watch this. Once we hit the weekend, it looks like other than isolated storms, we're looking pretty dry. It will be hot. It will be humid. But rain chances will be drying up, it looks like, by late this week and the weekend. So forecast tonight, showers and storms. Some of those could be heavy. We'll keep an eye on that. 72 the low. Then for tomorrow, once again, scattered showers and storms, especially in the afternoon, evening, high of 85. I think the rain chances will dry up after that, and we'll start to heat up. Right now, it looks like highs over the weekend back in the low 90s with a heat index near 100. So another hot weekend is headed our way. That's a wrap on